Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am also recording another airdrop video which is of Photon. So yeah, it has recently announced. So Photon is very famous if you know GMGN or uh, what we say pump.fun etc. So yeah, those are some famous. So here you can read. I will pause and yeah. So currently, Photon Labs is running phase 3 of their testnet program. Okay, so in this website, they have given proper guide how to do and what to do. But here, what we need is MetaMask wallet, okay, and a Phantom wallet and a Twitter account. Okay, so when we go to their website, it shows like this. Okay, then first we need to connect our MetaMask wallet. So we will connect here, which I have already did. When you click, MetaMask will already launch. So yeah, then scroll down. I just did it right now. What I did, connect MetaMask wallet, connect Phantom wallet, which is Solana wallet. Then I connected my Twitter. Then here we need to add chain. So I clicked here. Then a chain got added to my MetaMask wallet, which you guys can see here, this, which have details. So the details you need to fill will be given something like this. Okay, so do this, then claim this and claim this. And if you can't able to claim, then just refresh the page. When you refresh, you guys can see here. Okay, and there is, I guess, some daily limit. So when you claim this, it will come to our, I guess, MetaMask wallet, and this one too also come MetaMask wallet, but this one come to Solana wallet. Here confirm and all I did already. So I am not doing because I can't, because see, when I go to claim, confirm here. Oh, I actually able to did. Oh, that's nice. So when I refresh this, let's see again. Let's check out Photon one. Okay, can't claim. Gone again. Lol. I guess the website might be playing with me. As I said, MetaMask wallet will open. Here, see, cannot. So yeah, this is, and then go to bridge. Then you just need this testnet BTC and bridge it. Okay, and do the confirm. Transaction will approve and just confirm it. Simple. Transaction for confirmed on testnet. My activity point got increased, and here I can claim my PBTC. So yeah, simply you guys can do this task. Then just confirmed, did, and here it is written how many points will you get. So yeah, I want 400 points. So 100 this, 100 this, 100 this, and I guess 100 recently again. I guess of the I guess this one. Yeah. So this is simple photon task, and let's see if I can again claim. Okay, claiming, confirm. I don't know if this is a bug or what. Okay, I can't. Let's claim this. Confirm. Limited to one request every 24 hours, as you guys can see here. So yeah, daily limit reached. Cool, simple, sober, yeah. And you guys can come to airdrop io website. Here you guys can able to see easily each and every detail. So yeah, whatever I did, I told you. And yeah, I tap on this latest airdrop. Yeah, photon, simple. So I will check another tokens also, and will update you if you guys are interested. Oh yeah, there is also a public AI which I will tell you about. Okay, let's go. Public AI, this is extension one. This is the dashboard loading, and I will tell you about this in another video, so yeah, stay tuned.